Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest product reviews. Today, we have something special in store for all you graduate students out there, the 2023 newest HP laptop, tailored to meet your academic and professional needs. This laptop is not just another gadget, it's your perfect companion for college life and business endeavors. But before we dive into the details, let's unbox this beauty and see what's inside. Alright, now that we have unboxed it, let's jump into the features that make this HP laptop a top choice for graduate students. First off, this laptop comes in a stylish rose gold color that adds a touch of elegance to your workspace. It features a 14-inch HD display with a BrightView Micro Edge WLED screen, ensuring clear visuals for both work and entertainment. The 14-inch display is not only perfect for multitasking but also includes a built-in webcam and microphone, making it ideal for virtual meetings and online classes. And yes, it's bundled with a ROKC HDMI cable for extra convenience. Under the hood, this laptop packs a punch. It's powered by an Intel Celeron N4120 processor with 4 cores, capable of boosting up to 2.60 GHz. With 16 GB of RAM, you'll experience smooth multitasking, whether you're working on complex projects or enjoying some leisure time. Storage won't be a concern with this HP laptop. It boasts a whopping 576 GB of storage, a combination of a 64 GB SSD and a 512 GB card. That's ample space for all your documents, photos, and videos. When it comes to connectivity, you're covered. It offers 1x USB-C, 2x USB Type-A, 1x HDMI, and 1x SD card reader. Plus, it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless connectivity. And don't forget, it's running on Windows 11 Home in S mode. At just 3.24 pounds and with dimensions of 12.76 by 8.86 by 0.71 inches, this laptop is incredibly portable. You can easily carry it in your backpack or purse, making it perfect for students on the go. Before we wrap up, let's hear what some users have to say about this HP laptop. As you can see, many users are loving this laptop for its performance, portability, and battery life. So there you have it, the 2023 newest HP laptop, your ideal companion for college life and business endeavors. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and ample storage, it's no wonder this laptop is gaining popularity among graduate students. If you found this review helpful or have any questions about the laptop, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay productive.